Hello everyone, my name is Chris Getich, a climate scientist at the Kenya Meteorological Department. The FASTA app in Kenya has been developed in partnership between the National Center for Atmospheric Science, the University of Leeds, and the Kenya Meteorological Department. The FASTA app provides you with instant access to current and approaching storm activity in your region. It is available for download on the Google Play Store for Android devices. When you have downloaded the app, make sure to allow the FASTA app to view your current location because the app provides a location-based service. You can choose between two different weather information displays, which are overlaid on a regional map on your current location. The first display shows areas of developing storms. The second display shows areas of current storm rainfall zone. Selecting to view storm regions will allow you to quickly and clearly identify areas where there is current storm activity. It shows both well-developed storm systems and growing storm systems that may produce rain in the near future. Areas of current storm activity are shown in red, and its recent path is shown by a single gray line. You can use the timeline slider at the bottom of the display to view the previous position of the storms. The time displayed is local time. Selecting to view storm rainfall will allow you to see near real-time rainfall activity over your region with high degree of detail. The colored areas show estimated rainfall based on satellite data which updates every 15 minutes. The color key is used to identify areas of storm rainfall across a range of intensities. For example, using the standard color scheme, blue areas indicate regions of low rainfall and red areas indicate regions of high rainfall. You can use the timeline slider at the bottom of the display to manually preview rainfall estimates over the last 2 hours of satellite retrievals. You can also view the location and intensity of rainfall predicted. You can select to view an automated animation. With accurate weather information in your hands, you can make decisions to minimize damage, avoid disruptions, and stay safe. The FASTA app, it is available for download on the Google Play Store for Android devices.